Hi and welcome. So today we're going to be unboxing this PNY GeForce RTX 3080. I have no experience with the company, the XLR8 gaming, powered by PNY. But here we are, we're going to take a first look at it. Let's start with the knife. Now you want to be careful with this beautiful package. Remember not to shadow myself. Okay, so standard packaging. Nothing particularly special. Oh, support arm, I believe. Bom, 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 bom. Attention. Now, apparently, this card has some RGB, nicely encapsulated. It's supposed to have RGB, and it looks like it might, not entirely sure though. And it really doesn't matter for my part, because I won't be using it. Two 8-pin connectors. It's just a 2 slot. I thought it would be a 3 slot. Where does the leg go? Big shock. It doesn't even mention it. Yeah, all cables need to be connected before powering on. So I'm gonna need to open this to see what the actual beep it is. This part, however, I don't understand. Where is it? Ooh. And I have never had a support leg before. This doesn't make sense at all. I don't get it. Exciting. I'm gonna have to look that one up. But here it is. PNY GeForce RTX 3080. It's a beast! Right. There we have it. Now we're gonna mount it in the computer. And of course remove the old 1060. Yeah, I'm gonna prepare a little and get the PC out here so that we can mount it. Alright, let's go. That was my first impression of the RTX 3080, the PNY XLR8. So far I like it. I haven't tried it yet. I haven't done any benchmark or anything. I probably won't be doing any benchmarks, but you know, it looks good, and I figured out how to mount the support bracket. They actually had on their webpage some pictures that showed how to use it, and on the end of it, I don't know if you realized it, but on the end of it, the far end that goes in the front or towards the front of the PC, there were 2 small holes for the bracket to be mounted. I didn't see it at first, but after I saw the instructions, I did find them. Quite easy, I might add. Now, I hope you liked this video. If you did, I would really appreciate if you gave it a thumbs up, and of course subscribe so you don't miss the next videos that are coming. Now, if you didn't like this video or felt that it was totally unnecessary, try watching it again but at half the speed. See if it helps or make it worse, and leave a comment down below and let me know whether it's helped or stealth. helped or ställt. Is that really how you say it? Here in Sweden we say hjälpte eller stjälpte. Helped or ställt. I don't know. Leave a comment down below. Tell me what you thought about it. And until I see you next time, have a good one. Bye!